Okay, in this bowl, we have 1 cup of sugar, 6 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of liquid. Now the liquid consisted of about a half a cup of pineapple juice, and the rest was water, made of 2 cups for the liquid. And we stir it really good, make sure it's all stirred together good.
And you have egg yolks?
Egg yolks, 4 or 5, whatever egg yolks.
Put it back in 3 minutes and you're stirring it now?
Yes. Then we're going to put it back in for 2 more minutes. And if it's not thick enough, we'll put it back in. We'll try 2 more minutes. We're going to microwave this 1 more minute. It's thickening up very nicely, see?
Okay. Nice consistency.
Yeah, but I want it a little more stiff. We're going to add the pineapple that I strained to this pie mixture. Now, and stir that together. Okay. So we are now making the meringue. So we need 1/4 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch.
Okay.
And,
Does it require liquid?
no, we just mix that together now.
Okay.
Mix together. And then as we beat the egg whites, after we get them frothy, then we will start adding small amounts of that at a time.
Okay.
Butter goes in now. It's already thickened.
3 tablespoons butter.
Stir that till it's dissolved. Blending. Pour this into the pie shell. It's been baked already, baked.
$3.25 for
15 to 20 minutes.
And what are you doing here?
We're doing the meringue. We have them beat up to frothy looking.
Okay.
Now we'll start adding the cornstarch slowly to it. Cornstarch and sugar mixture. And with the pie filling, it's still hot. That helps the egg whites to cook when it's still hot. And you can put that in the oven. First of all, what you do, the meringue, you just go around and make sure that it is sealed to the crust. So that's what we want to do first of all, is seal it.
You mean you just don't want to see any of the pineapple mixture?
Right.
There's a little more right there. I can see it on this side. You might not be able to see it. I think you might have a new favorite.
Yeah, we'll find out. just a little bit. We'll bake this for 15 to 20 minutes
Oh. On.
on 325.
Looks good. Wonder if I should turn it around. It's getting browner in the back. Now that's looking much better. I think it's ready, Memo. Pineapple pie. And I like it warm.
First one I've ever made. Pineapple pie. Looks a little like lemon, only it's pineapple. Oh, that's good. Very good. This is fun. I have to do this tomorrow.